Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Outdoors. My name is Colin and I'm excited to share with you guys about a corn pit that we built in our backyard. A lot of times we take our kids to a place where we can pick out pumpkins and there's corn pits, and my kids absolutely love them and can't get out of them. And then we go home and they're bummed and we don't have one at home. So this year I decided to change that, and so I'm going to share with you guys a little bit more about how we built our corn pit out in our backyard. It was extremely cheap and it's simple to do. You can get things from Walmart, Lowe's, Tractor Supply, and you'll be on your way. So we first used our trampoline as kind of an enclosure. I had thought to do this on our rock patio, but I thought I don't want to pick up all that corn from in between the rocks. So if we use our trampoline, mini trampoline enclosure for the kids, and then put our little baby pool inside of it, that would allow us to pick up the corn easier at the end of the season. Now it does add a lot of weight on the trampoline, so we'll see how that does, or if it's ruined the springs by the end. So I'll give an update at the end of the season for that, but it does make it really easy, and I did get the trampoline for free. So to be fair, I'm not out very much money there unless I have to buy a new one. So we put the corn inside a baby pool on top of a tarp inside the actual trampoline enclosure, and we got 2 bags of 50 pounds, so we have 100 pounds of corn in the mini pool, and then we'd use a tarp to put over top of it at night so the rain doesn't get in. However, I failed one night at that and it got chock full of rain, and my mini pool now has holes in the bottom to drain it out. Which isn't a huge deal because the mini pool was only $6 at Walmart end of season. So if you go towards the end of the season, you might be able to get all these things for pretty inexpensive anyway. So all your materials, we have some clamps that we use to put over the tarp at the end of the night, and that allows it to stay dry. So we're talking 2 tarps, we're talking a mini baby pool, 50 pounds of corn, and then we did get this really cool accessory for the pit. It's a digger that you would put in stones. We put it on the side of the pit, and my son and my daughter both love that. So if you're interested in making your own corn pit at home, I would easily follow these instructions. Put it all together and you're easily there. We're probably at about $70 total for the whole thing. And that includes even the digger as well. So if you want to take the digger out, that was the biggest expense, and you're probably at about $25. So build a corn pit for your kids this fall, and I promise you, you won't regret it. As always with Epic Outdoors, I really appreciate you watching and sharing in the fun of making our outdoors a little more epic. So if you'd like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate that, and that'll help grow the channel, allow me to do more of this. Thanks, have a great day.